In this video, we're going to discuss about the distance between the point and the line and the distance between two parallel lines. So dito muna tayo sa distance ng point and line, shortest distance. So for example, meron tayong point, let's say P sub 1, x sub 1, y sub 1, and line, ito yung general equation niya, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then, yung formula natin to compute for the shortest distance between the point and the line ay ito. Absolute value ng ax sub 1 plus by sub 1 plus c. Okay? All over the square root of a squared plus b squared. So by the way, dapat ang line natin ay naka-general equation. Okay? So ang kinukuha natin dyan, so para makita nyo yung itsura, let's say ito yung ating Cartesian plane. Ito halimbawa yung ating point, P sub 1, x sub 1, y sub 1. Tapos let's say ito yung ating line. Yan. Let's say ito yung ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So ang kinukuha natin dyan, shortest distance. So ito yon. Okay? D. Okay? Kasi maraming possible distance eh. Pwedeng dito, pwedeng dito. So automatic kapag kinukuha natin yung distance ng point tsaka ng line, ang tinutukoy natin doon yung shortest distance. Okay? Nung line na to tsaka nung point na to. So proceed tayo sa example. Okay, so for example, let's say we have 0.5, negative 3, tapos yung general equation ng line natin ay 7x minus 4y minus 28 is equal to 0. So hanapin natin yung shortest distance ng dalawang to. Okay? So using our formula, ito yung ating formula ha. So D is equal to absolute value ng ax sub 1 plus by sub 1 plus c all over square root of a squared plus b squared. Napakadali lang yan. Isa-substitute lang natin. So, dapat alam natin kung alin yung a, b, c, tsaka yung x sub 1, y sub 1. Tapos, isa-substitute lang natin. So, dito sa given natin, ito yung ating x sub 1. Ito yung ating y sub 1. Tapos, dito naman, since naka-general equation na siya, so, lagi nyo i-check kung naka-general equation na. Okay? Tapos, saka natin i-assign, ito yung A, yung katabi ng X, ito yung B, including yung negative ha. So yung B natin ay negative 4, tapos ito yung C, yung negative 28. Tapos isasalpak lang natin dito yung mga values na yan sa formula. So yung D natin ay equal sa absolute value, ano yung A natin, that is 7. Ano yung X sub 1, that is positive 5. Okay? Plus, ano yung B natin, that is negative 4. Tapos Y sub 1, that is negative 3. Plus, ano yung C natin? Yan yung constant, that is negative 28. All over, square root ng, ano yung A squared? Ayun yung 7. So, ano yung 7 squared? That is 49. Plus, B squared. So, ano yung B squared? Negative 4, quantity squared, that is positive 16. Okay? Then, computing lang natin. So, D is equal to, this is 35, this is positive 12, and this is negative 28. Over square root of 49 plus 16, that is 65, no? Okay? So, dito muna tayo. So, 35 plus 12 minus 28. So, ito ay 47. Then, 47 minus 28, that is 19, no? So, positive 19. So, absolute value ng positive 19, that is 19 lang. Over square root of 65. Tapos, tatanggalin natin yung radical sa ilalim. Kasi ayaw natin ng ganon. Okay? So, para matanggal tong radical, magmumultiply lang tayo sa numerator ng square root of 65 tsaka sa denominator. Kasi pag pinagmultiply natin itong dalawa, matatanggal na yung radical. Magiging 65 na lang. Okay? So, magiging D is equal to 19 square root of 65 over, so tanggal na, 65. Tapos check nyo kung pwede siyang ma-reduce to lowest term. So, pag hindi, ayan na siya, units. Okay? So, ito yung exact value or exact distance. Kasi kapag ginawa nyo siyang decimal, so pwede siyang, ang mangyayari dyan kapag halimbawa 2 decimals ang nilagay nyo, naka-round off siya. So approximate distance lang yun. So ito yung exact distance. 19 square root of 65 all over 65 units. So ganyan lang siya kasimple. Yung ating distance. So kung gusto nyong makita yung itsura niya, so pwede nyong i-graph point tsaka line. So may technique naman tayo ng pag-graph ng line, 'di ba? So graph nga natin yung line na yan, yung itsura. Okay? So 1 2 3 4 5 taglilima na lang. 1 2 3 4 5. 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. So, dito muna tayo, 5 comma negative 3. So, 5 tapos negative 3. So, ito yung ating point. Ito yung 5 comma negative 3. Tapos, yung line natin, okay, imagine niyo na lang, nasa kabila to, so positive 28 pag nasa kabila. Tapos, takip-takip na lang, negative 4y equals 28. So, divide both sides by negative 4. So, y equals negative, positive, negative nga kasi over negative 4 tapos positive 28. So, y equals negative 7, no? So, negative 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, ito yon. Tapos, ito naman, so, magiging x equals positive 4. Positive 4. Okay? Then, connect natin. So, ito yung line. Na 7x minus 4y minus 28 is equal to 0. Tapos, ang kinuha nating distance ay ito. Yung shortest distance. Okay? 19 square root of 65 over 65. Okay? So, ganyan lang siya kasimple. So, proceed tayo sa next example. Okay, for number 2, let's have point 4, 3 and line 3x plus 4y equals 12. So, hanapin natin yung shortest distance. So, we have d is equal to absolute value of a, x sub 1 plus b, y sub 1 plus c, all over square root of a squared plus b squared. Okay? So, ito yung ating x sub 1, ito yung ating y sub 1, tapos ito yung a, ito yung b, and take note, hindi siya naka-general equation. So, dapat itong 12 ay nandito. Okay? So, kapag ililipat natin sa left side yung 12, magiging negative 12 yan. Okay? So, yung c natin, negative 12, not positive 12. Okay? Magkakamali tayo niyan sa computation. Okay? So, i-substitute na natin siya dito. So, we have d is equal to absolute value. So, what is a times x sub 1? X sub 1 natin ay 4. Yung a natin ay 3. So, 4 times 3, that is 12. Okay? So, 12 plus, what is b times y sub 1? So, we have 3 times 4, 12 then. Then, plus c. So, ano yung c natin? Negative 12. So, plus negative 12. So, magiging minus 12 na lang yan. Over square root of, what is a squared? So, that is 3 squared. What is 3 squared? So, yan ay 9. Plus b squared, yan ay 4. So, 4 squared, that is 16. Then, compute natin to. So, may makikita tayong 12 minus 12 dito, no? Wala na to. So, magiging 12 na lang yung matitira. So, we have 12 over square root of 9 plus 16, 25. And what is square root of 25? That is 5. So, 12 over 5 units. Okay? So, ganun lang siya kasimple. So, punta tayo naman doon sa distance between two parallel lines. Okay. So, for distance between two parallel lines, let's say ito yung dalawang lines natin. So, as you can see, parallel sila. Same yung numerical coefficient ng x and y. Tapos, magkaiba lang sila doon sa constant terms. So, ang formula niyan, that is d is equal to the absolute value of the difference ng constant terms, yung c sub 2 minus c sub 1. Interchangeable yan kasi naka-absolute value naman. Okay, kahit alin yung mauna. All over, ganun pa rin yung denominator natin, that is square root of a squared plus b squared. Okay, so para makita natin yung itsura, let's say meron tayong Cartesian plane dito. Then, ito yung ating parallel lines. Yan. Let's say ito yung ax plus by plus C1 equals 0. Tapos ito yung AX plus BY plus C2 is equal to 0. So ang kinukuha natin ay syempre yung shortest distance din. Okay? So yan yung kinukuha natin, yung D ng two parallel lines. So punta na kagad tayo sa example. Okay, so let's have our example. So ito yung ating dalawang lines. We have 3x plus 2y equals 12 and we have 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. So ano nga uli yung formula para sa distance between two parallel lines? So we have D is equal to absolute value of C sub 2 minus C sub 1 all over the square root of A squared plus B squared. Okay? So by the way, bago natin gamitin yung formula na to, distance between two parallel lines, dapat i-check nyo muna kung yung dalawang lines na yan ay parallel. So paano natin malalaman yun? Tignan natin yung numerical coefficient ng x tsaka ng y. Dapat pareho sila. So pareho silang 3 tsaka pareho silang 2. So parallel lines to. Okay? And as you can see, yung given lines natin ay hindi naka-general equation kasi yung constant term ay nasa kabilang side. So dapat nasa left side to, pati to. Okay? Bago natin siya ilagay dito sa formula. Or although hindi naman siya totally affected kasi pareho namang nasa labas, pwede mo nang idiretso yan. Pero mas maganda na susundin nyo na lang yung sinasabi sa formula, okay, na dapat naka-general equation para hindi tayo nalilito. Okay? So maging fixed tayo doon. So ito dapat ay nasa left side. So kung nasa left side to, magiging negative 12 yan. Ito negative 4. So substitute natin yan dito. So we have D is equal to, ano yung C sub 2 natin? That is negative 4. Absolute value ng negative 4 minus negative 12. So magiging plus na yan, plus 12. All over square root of what is A? Yung A natin, yung numerical coefficient ng x which is 3. Square natin, that is 9. Plus ano yung B natin? Numerical coefficient ng y and that is 2. At kapag in-square natin, that is 4. What is negative 4 plus 12? So that is 8. Positive 8. Absolute value na 8 is 8. Over square root of 9 plus 4, that is 13. So multiply natin both sides, numerator tsaka denominator ng square root of 13 para matanggal natin yung radical sa denominator. So magiging ano siya? D is equal to 8 square root of 13 over 13 units. So ito yung exact distance between the given two parallel lines. So, ganyan lang siya kasimple. Okay, so for number 2, we have two lines, x plus y is equal to 1 and 2x plus 2y is equal to 6. So, hanapin natin yung distance ng dalawang lines na yan. Teka sir, mukhang hindi parallel yan kasi magkaiba yung coefficient ng x tsaka coefficient ng y. So, i-check nyo muna kung magkaiba ba talaga sila ng coefficient. So, ang gawin natin dito, pwede ba tong i-divide both sides by 2? So, pwede siya, no? So, 2x plus 2y equals 6. Pag nag-divide tayo both sides by 2, so, eto, gawin natin over 2. Lagyan natin na over 2 lahat. So, eto magiging x plus y equals 3. So, ganito lang pala yung itsura neto. Okay? That is x plus y equals 3. And, as you can see, same coefficient ng x tsaka ng y. So, ibig sabihin, parallel sila. Okay, mukha lang siyang hindi parallel dito, pero kapag i-simplify natin yung ating equation, so makikita nyo na parallel pala sila. Posibleng mangyari yun, okay? Kaya hindi porket nakita nyo na magkaiba na yung coefficient sa given, sigurado na tayo na hindi parallel. Pwede nyo i-check muna kung parallel ba o kung hindi ba talaga sila parallel. Okay? Para ma-check natin yon, magdi-divide lang tayo ng value kung alin yung nandito. Halimbawa, ito 2 yung nandito, tapos ang nandito ay 1. So, try natin gawing 1 yung coefficient neto. Okay? Para magawa yon, nag-divide tayo ng 2 para maging 1. And as you can see, nagawa natin. Okay? Kaya natin nasasabi na parallel sila. So, proceed tayo sa computation. So, as you can see, hindi uli siya naka-general form, ha? So, formula natin, absolute value. Teka lang sir, ano ba yung C1 tsaka C2 dito? Alin yung uunahin ko? So, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, interchangeable siya. Pwede mong unahin ang ito, pwede rin ito. Kasi naka-absolute value naman. Okay? So, unahin na natin to. So, ito, positive 1. Pag nilipat mo sa kabila, negative yan. Okay? Kasi dapat general form, kaya ako nililipat sa kabila. Ito kasi hindi naka-general form. So, ito ay negative 1. Minus, ito positive 3. Pag nilipat sa kabila, magiging negative 3. So, negative 1 minus negative 3, that is positive 3. Over square root of, yung numerical coefficient ng x, that is 1. Square natin, 1 pa din. Plus, numerical coefficient ng y, square natin, 1 pa din. So, d is equal to negative 1 plus 3, that is 2 over square root of 2. Okay, multiply natin both sides by square root of 2 para matanggal yung radical sa denominator. At ang matitira na lang ay 2 square root of 2 all over 2. So, as you can see, pwede pa nating i-simplify to by dividing 2 tsaka yung 2 sa, i-cancel natin to. Okay? So, magiging d is equal to, ang matitira na lang ay square root of 2. So, ito yung ating sagot. Okay? So, ganun lang siya kadali. Ganun lang kadali computein yung distance between the point and the line tsaka yung distance between two parallel lines.